armchair, please don't stand or say a thing. The day will come and now you're gonna rise and sun will burn them away. Another day the world is turning, people learn with them the power. Hey, 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 in my world they tell us so, how it all ends, how to be me, say we'll be fine, then sell our souls, throw me a line, strung out free. Strung out free.
Are you in a band or a solo act based in the Northwest? If you would like your music played on Round Sound Radio, please send your MP3 to us. roundsound@inbox.com. Sorted.
You're amazing.
If you are listening to the show for the first time, guys, or you are indeed an artist wondering how to get on the show, it is very simple. You send us your MP3 and your bio, please, to roundsound@inbox.com. We get your song aired on Sunday's show, then we give you a link. What you do with that link is your business. What we do with that link is we tally up the stats at the end of the week to see how many people have listened to that track. So obviously, the more you share the track, the more chance you've got that people are actually going to click it and they're going to listen to it. Very, very similar idea to the actual official chart, really. You know, if people want to listen to it, they will. If they don't, they won't. They won't click. So, yep, it can be a bit cruel as well, guys. It's it's a bit dog-eat-dog on this top 20 at the moment. Right, okay, number 15 this week, we have Maisie Wiley back with us with Don't Give Up On Me. You obviously didn't give up on her, and she has come back from the cusps of death and made it right back into top 15 in the Round Sound chart. Is right, because I love this tune. This is Maisie Wiley, this week's number 15. This week at number 14, we see Jake McRae and the What Went Wrongs with Fags and Hops. They are up 6 places this week. Good work, lads, good work. Wonderful tune, this.
Lately we've been different, not fighting, just exhausted. Why do your eyes look dead, my dear? Why do you act like I'm haunted? The other side of your bedroom feels 100 feet away. And if you're not quite with it, darling, we could do a different day. Don't you think we're too self-aware? You told me that you're in a prison filled on wine and optimism. Don't you think you're a little hard on yourself? You know it's not your job to get your better from their fights and off. You told me not to go there, and I'm right. It's not your job to get your better from their fights and off. I made him sing when I told you to stay inside. And I know that you've been worried. I'll get to you when I'm broke. Reminders of you everywhere. Not as much your mind hair is. And for you needs a bit of time. I suppose I could just bear with. It's not your job to get you better from their fights and off. Told me not to go there, and I'm right. It's not your job to get you better from their fights and off. I made him sing when I told you to stay inside.
No, 19.
Down 2 this week at number 13, we have Marianne with Better Off. On her Facebook, she says she likes many things, but she hates fellas, basically. Something like that, something to them lines. This is a lovely tune, this, guys. Have a go with this. This is Better Off by Marianne, this week's number 13.
No one on my fucking what? Boring. Boring, miserable shit house.
Sound radio, sound radio. Sound radio, sound radio.
Yes, so this Battle of the Bands as well, it's all very exciting. This is going to be the first event the Round Sound's ever had its hand in. It's going to be broadcast live as well, the whole thing. So that's a bit different in its own right, isn't it? I haven't heard of that being done yet, so I'm very much looking forward to it. I'm going to be on the main stage all night with me little mixes and things like that, and I'm going to be broadcasting it live. So if you can't afford the ticket price, which I think it's going to be £5 as it stands, and we're going to have about 10 bands on the night and all kinds of entertainment going on. Sorry, you just said night. It's a daytime gig, this, but you are allowed to bring ale and you are allowed to bring children. It's going to be boss, you know. I'm really, really looking forward to it. It's going to be the best thing Boole's seen in a long, long time, because, you know, they haven't got a lot of live music going on there, so it'll be nice to bring it back.